Today we're going to be testing out the Anker SOLIX C1000 and we're going to combine it with my new diesel heater. Let's see how it goes. So during the startup cycle it does pull quite a bit of power. So that's currently pushing out 98 watts from the cigarette lighter. So the heater is starting a warm-up cycle, which is good. So it looks like we're peaking around 101 watts. So she's really starting to almost fire up. Should be pretty soon. So the heater's up and running now and it's consuming about 22 watts, which gives me about 35 hours, give or take, of runtime with the Anker, which is pretty damn amazing if you ask me. Amazing product.